Is a misdiagnosis considered medical malpractice? The doctor said it was nothing. It was cancer. Here is when a misdiagnosis becomes a lawsuit. Misdiagnosis is the most common form of medical malpractice claim in the United States. And it is also one of the most heartbreaking because of what it represents. A disease that could have been caught early, when treatment options were better and outcomes were brighter, that instead was allowed to advance while a patient was told nothing was wrong. Research published in the journal BMJ Quality and Safety estimated that approximately 12 million Americans experience a diagnostic error in an outpatient setting each year. Of those, roughly 40,000 to 80,000 result in death or serious permanent harm annually. Cancer, heart attack, and stroke account for the vast majority of the most dangerous misdiagnoses. Here is something that rarely gets said plainly. Not every wrong diagnosis is malpractice. If a doctor followed a reasonable diagnostic process and still arrived at the wrong conclusion, that may simply be the inherent uncertainty of medicine. But when a doctor fails to order appropriate tests, dismisses symptoms that warranted further investigation, or ignores findings that a reasonably careful physician would have pursued, that is a different story. The delayed cancer diagnosis is one we see frequently. A patient comes in with symptoms. A test is ordered, but not followed up on properly. The radiologist's report goes unread. The patient is reassured and sent home. Months later, they are in stage 4. The difference in survival rates between early stage and late stage cancer diagnoses is often measured in decades of life. These cases require deep expertise, medical experts who can establish what the standard of care required and what the failure to follow it cost the patient. Our team has handled misdiagnosis cases for decades. If a late or wrong diagnosis changed your outcome, please call us. For more information and a free consultation, please call at 877-ASK4SAM or visit us online at www.askforsam.net.